Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to show you everything I ate for the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating. You may find that some of my meals are a little protein heavy compared to other ketoers here on YouTube. That's because I do a little different keto version than other people that is set to promote fat loss while maintaining my lean muscle mass. It's working really great for me. I've lost 177 pounds in 18 months, and I hope that you get something out of this video. I hope that you find some ideas for your own keto meal plan and that we can work together to get our own before and after transformations. Let's get to the food. It's Wednesday, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of What to Eat Wednesday, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. I have 2 fried eggs that I just got from my backyard chickens, 4 pieces of center cut bacon, that ends up being about 44 grams, and then this is half of a Keto Cakes Utah cupcake. Normally I would eat cheese, but I'm out of cheese, and so I have these because I picked them up today, and they are a little bit more fat, but about the same. Well, they're a little less protein, I guess, too, than cheese, but I'm eating it. And then 1 cup or 227 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with Mio water enhancer. This is the Mio vitamins, but it doesn't really matter which one you use as long as it's one that is 0 carbs, which you can see right here. I use it for flavor, not for the vitamins, but I don't mind getting a few B vitamins while I'm here. And that is going to be my first meal of the day.
Hi.
So I'm hanging out at the park with my buddy Jasper. And I am having a gas station lunch again because I need to eat. And that is how life is sometimes. So this is what I've chosen to get. Think Thin protein bar, 1 string cheese, and some almonds. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. I am having a second meal of the day. It is about 4:30. Cool. Is it good? It's 4:30. And I am having my second meal. So I'm having 175 grams of yogurt, and that's all I had left, the 0% Fage yogurt, and 22 grams of bacon. That's going to be my second meal of the day. Careful, don't burn your fingers.
I didn't.
You didn't. All right, this is becoming a trend. I am here editing hide and seek videos, and this is going to be my last meal of the day. 5 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of provolone cheese, 1.5 cups of zoodles, and 1/2 cup of Rao's arrabbiata or something like that sauce. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. All right, the kids and I are out shopping today, so I am stopping for lunch or whatever it is. It's almost 3 o'clock. I haven't eaten anything today because we have no food in the house. So I have just got basically a lettuce wrap, $6 burger from Carl's Jr. with 2 third-pound patties and a side salad with ranch dressing, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, everyone, this is going to be my last meal of the day. I have 1.5 cups of zucchini, 6 ounces of top round steak, and 1 sherbet keto cake from Keto Cakes Utah, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Happy Saturday, everyone. I am having my typical breakfast, 2 fried eggs, an ounce of, actually that's 2 ounces of pepper jack cheese, 44 grams of center cut bacon, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, for dinner I am having a 7-ounce top round steak, 1.5 cups of lettuce, some cucumbers, 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing, and 1 Roma tomato, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Good morning, it's Sunday. I am having my same breakfast as usual. 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of provolone cheese, 44 ounces center cut bacon, 1 cup or 227 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt, and this is lemonade Mio that I haven't mixed in yet, and 5 grape tomatoes, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright, everyone, this is my Sunday night dinner. I am having 7 ounces of eye of round roast with 1.5 cups of cauliflower rice, about 155 grams with some gravy that we made with bouillon and xanthan gum. Then a little salad with cucumber, tomato, 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing, and 1 birthday cake, keto cake, cupcake, just because. Alright everyone, it's Monday morning, having the same thing I always do: 2 eggs, 1 ounce of cheese, 44 grams of center-cut bacon, and a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla meal. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alright everyone, editing videos again, so I'm just hanging out here by my computer, and this is going to be my last meal of the day. So this is just hamburger gravy. It's made with ground beef, bouillon base, and xanthan gum with a little bit of onion, and also 100 grams of cauliflower rice underneath, and then just 1 keto cake, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Fear not, friends who just watched my live chat. My eggs, Chef Dave remade them, so I only have to eat cold bacon. But I like cold bacon, so it's okay. And I'm having my typical breakfast that I have every single day: 1 cup of yogurt, 2 eggs, 1 ounce of cheese, and 44 grams of center-cut bacon, which is about 4 slices. And that is going to be my first meal. Oh my gosh, I'm really tired today of the day. All right, tonight we are having a party, so I am not really tracking this. I've got a couple of pork ribs. Is that pork ribs, Dave? I don't even know what this is.
Yeah, the baby back ribs.
Baby back ribs, and some barbecue sauce with some pulled pork shoulder that Dave smoked all night, and a cup of cauliflower with about 1 ounce of cheddar cheese on top, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Well, there you have it. That was everything I ate this week on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that you got some great ideas, and I hope that you're feeling motivated to get started. Don't forget to join our Facebook page, like and subscribe for more videos and how-tos on how to start keto, and I'll talk to you all again soon.